I will gonna be showing you how to remove the spare tire for Nissan Pathfinder, and usually it's kept under the the trunk of the car. It should be over there. We're gonna remove that spare tire, and so what we're gonna be doing is and then go to your compartment, lift up the cover, and then here just twist this one, take it off, and you're gonna need this one, and next is this, and this, to just turn it turn it counterclockwise to remove the tire. Turn it clockwise if you want to like put back the tire up. So I'm gonna be turning it counterclockwise right now. It's hard to like turn it with one hand. So I was driving one day and I have a hard time looking for the tires, how to like remove it. So this is how I found out about it. Okay, if you will gonna see the tire is already hanging, and I'm gonna be turning it clockwise now to put it back. It should already be there you go. All right, so just keep on doing it until it's like tight enough under there, and you're done.